No, speaker number one.
Okay, speaker number. So today we are discussing about AI. Why AI is important? Why we are discussing about this? We are discussing about this like this affect our work, play, and everything around us. So simulation it is doing simulation, human intelligence, and processes. So it's important in all fields. That's why we are discussing this. What's your point about this? Speaker number one, two.
तुम्हारा point बोलो.
So my point, it diagnoses medical things like breast cancer and melanoma, and it also helps in drug discovery. Like it analyzes proteins involved in that medical condition. So this is my point that it helps in medical field. And what about this? What's your point? It helps.
Yeah, so hi, my name is Mahindra and my roll number is 56. Go for number. So my point is that AI is not good for the future of the humans because it can like the destructive machines can use the AI and AI can make the destructive machines and weapons which can go in the wrong hands and it can lead to the mass destruction of the humanity.
Yeah, your point is right, but I'm discussing about that its advantages. It's a latter part thing now. How we are making algorithm for that. How we are making them, how they'll work, weak AI things and strong AI things.
No, like any wrong person can access them and can lead to the destruction.
Yeah, it can be possible, but due to this, we can't acceptize other things, how it is benefits ourselves. Like it's medical. I already discussed about medical diagnosis. It also helps in drug discovery and climate change mitigation, optimizing renewable energy. It also helps in that.
And in medical field, I heard that there was a robot which was instructing the patient and it said the patient that you should suicide. So what about this type of cases?
When you heard about this?
What?
When you heard about this?
Like,
And where it happened?
it is an incident of UK, like in one of the hospitals of London.
Oh, that's the thing. I didn't heard about this. I'll run about next time. So with that, but it also like I think that's the problem of algorithm. How it done.
AI is also an algorithm.
Yeah.
It is based on an algorithm.
So main thing is it automate the work, like workers are there, so it automate, like efficiency is there, it can work more efficiently like than humans. So what about your point?
See, as you said, it make the works work
Easy.
efficiently and
More fast.
with less labor, right?
Yeah.
So see to get the high efficiency, we will use the employment in the economy, and it can lead to the instability in the economy.
So the point is like it make us lose jobs. Yeah. But my point is like when AI is integrated with the system, so it how it is made, how AI is made, using data analytics, using algorithm thing. So all other jobs are created. When like you're saying like jobs losing, you're not taking the point of like increasing the job towards data analytics and coding part.
No, see.
So it's a job displacement thing now.
see the many of jobs it is destroying. If we talk about the driverless cars, so the people who are working as a driver, what they will do if the driverless cars will come into the world?
They can learn data analytics and
No,
change their.
how you can expect a poor person to learn data analytics?
So
They don't have resources like that.
so the thing is that AI is integrated just to do same work without any innovation in that. Humans are doing some innovative way. AI is doing just same thing, and if we need innovation thing, how will they do? They can't do.
Yeah.
So human just with integration, this is doing some part of the work with the humans, hmm? and humans are doing some innovative work.
Yeah, so as you said, humans do the innovative work.
Hmm.
So, see, the artificial intelligence is more intelligent, hypothetically more intelligent than the humans.
Yeah, but they are
See,
doing some.
First, I want to say my point.
And,
So, if it is more like the humans know that the AI is more intelligent than us hypothetically. So, like if humans will rely on the AI, then they will use their thinking ability and qualities. So it will ultimately lose the humanity. Like then the human won't be innovative.
Like your point is somewhat not clear. Can you explain it?
Like the AI is using, we are using AI in the machines. So we humans are really on the machines which are operated by AI. So we won't think about like how it will work. We will just rely on that machine, on and AI. So when we won't think anything, then we won't be able to think anything.
Like how is this AI thing made? We humans made them, no?
Yeah, we made them, but the person who is using, he don't know that how it has been.
So in which field that person is working? So he has to work innovatively. So his mind is working. It's not like he himself making a dull person. So I think the field thing works here. In which field he's working.
Yeah. So my second point is that the AI is dangerous for humanity. Like many of the big personalities in the world, had shown their concerns about the dangerousness of the AI. Like Stephen Hawking, Bill Gates, Elon Musk, they like they talked about the negative influences of the artificial intelligence on the humanity. Like, if I give you one example, so recently in 2017, the Facebook has shut down its all AI systems because the chatbots of the Facebook had started to talk with each other in their own language. So Facebook shut down all the chatbots and all the AI services in the phone. So what's your view on that?
I agree with your point that AI had some level of talking was there in chatbots, and shutdown was there. So I agree with your point. So my point is like it's there something like existential threats are there for humans, but we can't disagree with the point that there is some profit with this also, with AI also.
No, like what if the chatbots that we are using will start to abuse the users. Then what will? Like if we talk about a platform like Facebook, so ultimately the Facebook can send just to the all the users of the Facebook. So what if the chatbots being crazy and they will send the messages to all the users of Facebook? Like Facebook is having millions of users.
It is there. So again, we have to change the algorithms.
Yeah, like mistake is there.
There is. Somewhat with increasingly time, AI has become intelligent with talking with the other chatbots. It's there. So we have to think about it, about this point, how we can manage those threats with them. And yeah, my point is like I was talking about medical. So sometimes like human didn't recognize about like diagnosis of breast cancer and other things, but robot can able to do that. How will you?
Robot.
Yeah, robots are there. No?
No, robots can't do operations.
Not the operations, like diagnosis. Early diagnosis helps us now in breast cancer. So what's your point about that?
That like early diagnosis humans also can do. Like
Yeah, it is
why they
there,
can't?
but more easily, more fastly than humans. And it is also one more point is there, like education, healthcare sector, and entertainment. Like you're using something like Netflix or Geo Cinema, like anything you are using, YouTube also. So how you get your personalized recommendations?
Yeah, that is like learned by the AI using machine learning.
Yeah, that's the thing. So there also AI helps.
But that is the waste of time. Like if you will get the
No.
personalized content.
Yeah, personalized when you are using like for study purpose,
Yeah, that,
you you're getting something like oh yeah, you're using Instagram.
yeah.
And you got some civil things like the civilized civil engineer page. So how you got this page? You, I don't think so. You searched it.
It is by the interest and the machine did something. Like
So
machine learns whatever.
yeah. So you got profit from that.
Yeah, that, like some advantage are there.
Yeah. Machine also helps in making decisions, giving some examples. So when you give some problem, it helps us giving some what are the solutions, other means, how you can proceed with that. It also helps in decision making.
No, like it can give the wrong decisions.
Yeah. It
Like
can give examples.
like if you will search on Google now for medicines, most of them will be wrong. So in health, you can't take the decisions based on the what AI is saying.
I'm talking about banking or things.
Banking,
Banking.
what you want to talk about?
Like some you're working, yeah. You use stock market things.
Yeah.
So for stock market, where you believe,
What?
where you get things like where I should invest or things. Invest for investing, where you search about that.
I do search about it. I search about the company, then I analyze the fundamental and technical report. Then I invest.
Yeah. In that, AI also helps you. Okay. Is it right?
Yeah, probably, but I don't know about it.
it also helps with. And next is automation. We already discussed about automation. And logistics and transportation is also there. Right, it helps.
And transportation is also can like driverless cars, anything other than that.
Hmm. So I can I can agree your points it like, job displacement things, uh, so reducing jobs. So for everything is like this is AI is doing some repetitive work.
Yeah, it is also doing like wrong works.
Repetitive work, not something innovative. That's where human comes. They have to think innovatively. How I can do better than these things, repetitive things. It's not like
Yeah, they do like repetitive and efficiently. AI can do.
but humans can do innovatively.
Yeah,
Isn't
so
it? So job thing is like this. It is integrated with the human. It complement human. Understood? It complements human. It's doing repetitive work, and you are doing some innovative work. So job displacement is like job is there for humans, but not for like labor work, repetitive work.
yeah, then what labor will do? Like if we talk about India, there almost 20% of the human people are below the poverty line.
Hmm.
So the people who are below poverty line, most of them do like only labor works. So if AI will come in that, then how they will live, like how they will get the works.
So with time we can do better with the AI. Yeah, I can agree.
So I have one example for AI models so there was like in China there was a AI model was built to interact with the teenagers, like teenage people,
Hmm.
and to make them to feel better with talking with the model. So to like outside the China, Microsoft also tried this after the China did this.
Yeah.
So in in 2016, Microsoft launched their AI model on like which was almost considered the same as the China's one. So what happened is that they launched in 2016 on Twitter the model, and the it in 24 hours it's starting 24 hours it interacted with 1 lakh people. It's a huge. So initially it started with a hello world, and at the end of the 24 hours it was like the Hitler was right. It become like racist and sexist. Like it said that
It is taking
Hitler was
history
right.
things also.
Yeah, Hitler was right. Feminists should be burned, like that sentence he used. So after one day, it was removed from the platform, and Microsoft shut it down it. And in the ranking of the MIT Institute, it was the worst innovative idea.
So you are right.
So it can be wrongly used in the abusing the minor peoples.
It is also taking history things.
Yeah. One more was there like the the AI we use in most of the places to recognize the faces. So in USA it was like it refused to recognize the black people. So it was also the case of racism by artificial intelligence.
Yeah. We can remove that racism by taking multiple data, more vast data. So
They
we
tried
can,
before implementing that, but it didn't.
that's why data analytics job is
No,
important.
like
We
you
can
don't know
collect
AI
data
is
from
the
different parts.
AI is the most efficient data analyst. Like it can
How we are
analyze the.
training, how we are training them. No? So when this happened, we just took some samples, not much samples. That's why it results in like wrongly results like black and white. I have one example also. I can try. We can take multiple more examples, more training data from different parts of the world. So we can correct that part by implementing all those data and feeding in that machine. So it can be corrected.
No, but the thing was that now it was like that Microsoft Word like model it learned in 24 hours from the sentence that initially said like humans are so pure to the Naji Naji. Like,
It's fast.
too different.
It's very fast.
So I think we should end here.
So, what's your conclusion point?
Like, it was a good discussion. You had your points. Your points were good. Like it can be used in medical field. It can be used in banking sectors and others that you mentioned. And it can be the worst also for humanity. Like it can destroy if the control of AI can be out of control from the humans. So both the pros and cons are there for artificial intelligence. So
I
what's your
agree with your point. There is some disadvantages, advantages. We can't just take advantage from that. Can't take disadvantage from that and remove all the AIs. So we have to work like that. So we reduce the disadvantages. We reduce the existential threats. We should implement more data analytics, more data used for that, and like your Naji's point, I'll write about that, and at some point, so it's there some. So that's it. I got some information. Okay.
so
Okay. Bye bye.